and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got a new wig for you, and it is from Nadula Hair. Now, I know you guys have heard of Nadula. I have seen them being reviewed here on YouTube many a times, and I've always wanted to try them, but I don't think I've ever had a Nadula wig. But nonetheless, here we are. Let's go ahead and get into it. And as you see, it does come in this cute little carrying case, which can be multi-purpose. I love a good item that we can multi-purpose. But let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, and it has the cute little N. I love stuff with good branding too. That is really cute. Let's go ahead and get into the units. Let's get into it. So not only does it come in this cute little multi-purpose bag, but we do get the storage box, which is awesome. That is pretty nice. So yeah, let's just look at the unit. I am excited. I love a good fresh wig. I love switching it up. I love being able to switch out my styles. Okay, so this is what it looks like upon opening it. Okay, Nadula. I love the good satin bags. We get wig caps. Baby hair wig slayer type situation if you like to stick your units down. But we all know that I am a big glueless wig fan. So let's go ahead and get into what we have. Oh, Brazilian hair. I'm excited. Okay, so it looks like we have a cutie. She's a bob unit. Perfect for spring, summer. Okay, she's cute. She's cute. Let's check her out. Bobs have been increasingly becoming top faves for me, especially in this texture, because y'all know I love a good wider wave and curly unit, and this is giving everything that I love. Look at that. OMGG. Standard cap construction here. All the links and information will be down below in that description box, so don't skip over it. She's pre-styled. She's pre-cut. The knots have been pre-bleached. She's just beautiful. We have our cute little defined side deep part. Let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, nice comfy cap. She is a big head friendly. I love that. Because we got a big head and thick hair to store under our wig. But okay, I am loving the fit. She is super comfortable. We just got to go and get her styled and maybe add just a little powder to the front of it. I'm just going in with my bronzer and just add it to the lace. But she is definitely cute. I love the style of it, but we're going to take the comb and kind of break up some of our waves, and I'll be right back. All right, girl, we are back from styling our unit, and I love it. So yeah, I would call these like little beachy waves. She's cute. We put our little slicky slick down around our part, and she is cute. I am loving it. The length on this is just everything. I like it. Look at that. Okay. She's giving. She is a stylish girl. Yes, we are ready. We are ready for someone. We are ready. Let me show you the back. She is cute. I love it. I love the density on this. But yeah, check out that description box. I'll have all of her stats and links down below. But yeah, girl, just pick what works for you. And yeah, and if you don't like the way it's framed, then customize it. If you can't do it, girl, take your good unit down to Nappy Cuts, girl, or wherever you go, and have them to frame that thing up. Make it cute. But y'all know I am the queen of DIY. I will always do it myself. But I love this. She is super cute, girl. I am loving this wave pattern. Yeah, definitely check this one out. Check out all their units on their site. Their direct link will be down below in that description box, so don't skip over it. This is definitely a cute, effortless unit to add to your wig collection, girl. She is cute. She's definitely cute. I love it. Yeah, perfect length. I love this pattern. But probably though, I might go in and set it on some flexi curl rollers just to give it a little more shape to it. But I do love this. It is super cute. But let me know what you think down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye. But check out Nadula hair, girl. She is beautiful. Beautiful, effortless summer unit. Glueless, girl. Glueless.